Hi everyone and welcome back to Willy and Olia's channel. We are so excited you're back. Today another vlog about beautiful cockatiel Kiwi. If you watched my previous episode, I actually shared my birthday vlog. For my birthday, my husband William decided to make this romantic getaway and booked a hotel in Dublin, Ohio. That's where we stayed with Kiwi, and I decided to share our experience about that, what kind of questions we needed to find answers for before staying there, and the experience overall. Because it was a 2-day getaway, we did not want to leave Kiwi by herself. It's way too long of a time for Cockatiel to be on her own. So we called the AC Hotel in Dublin, Ohio to ask if they allow pets, which they do, but they also have additional charge of $50 a night. After my husband shared with a front desk receptionist that it is my birthday getaway, they actually decided to waive the fees, and we did not have to pay anything extra in order to bring Kiwi with us. Kiwi is flying like a pro now, and this room is perfect because there's so much space. We did drive there after the sunset, so Kiwi was pretty calm and ready for her bedtime. We do have a beautiful white cage for her travels. I mentioned it before, and you can check out our video about a vet appointment as well as the moving video. Dusty! So you need to make sure you bring a blanket with you to cover the cage in case it is cold outside. On the night of our trip, it was pretty cold, so we had a nice warm blanket over her cage. We did warm up the car before bringing her in. Kiwi is doing amazingly good in the hotel. She got her pellets with her, a little treat for flying so good, toys, purchase. But she's not interested in that because she spends all the time outside of the cage, singing. In the mood for snuggles. She's molting, so she needs extra attention right now. So I will be honest with you, we were a bit worried how Kiwi will accept this new environment. Is she going to be comfortable at the hotel for the first time? And thankfully, she absolutely loved it. Cutie. My favorite thing was when Kiwi just kept singing no matter what time of the evening it was, even though the lights were dimmed and it was nice and quiet. She just kept singing inside of her cage or on top of it, whatever she felt like being, and that was very awesome because we knew that she's comfortable and feeling safe. While I had my appointments throughout the day, throughout the birthday celebration, William had to work from the room and Kiwi was around him, so that's what made us even more calm, because we knew that she's not on her own at all time. It was either William was in the room working, either me getting ready when he had to leave for a meeting or an appointment, so we felt so good about having her around. Relaxing getaway is awesome, but nobody canceled a healthy morning routine, so I'm going to show you her morning bath time.
So I was on the phone a couple times and she was on my shoulder. And I would say that 5 times every time I turned this way and went in this direction, she would fly there. And then she would just stay there. I'd walk away, come back, she's chilling. I do this. I put her on my shoulder. I walk, do-do-do, do-do-do. I turn around, I go this way, and she would fly off. Oh!
Oh my gosh! You
Perfect.
are right. Kitva, you have your spot of the day now? Please. Another reason why Kiwi enjoyed her stay so much because of how much room she had to fly around.
Stay. Kiwi, I'm gonna put you that way. Most likely she's gonna do a circle and come back. Yep.
At least close one.
No, she's good. Here, switch with me.
Oh, okay.
Oh, she goes. Oh, that's her favorite spot in the hotel so far.
I'm on top of the world, yeah. Safety and health of your bird should be your top priorities while staying at the hotel with your bird. So here are a couple rules to remember. As I said at the beginning of the video, do your research before traveling. Make sure hotel does allow pets and you do not have any issues upon your arrival. We called the hotel before, we made sure they do allow pets and they do allow birds. The front desk associate had to make a call to a manager, give us a call back, so it was a whole process of them figuring out if it's okay and us being confident with bringing Kiwi along. Another suggestion is to notify a front desk associate about your bird upon your arrival. Make sure the environment in the hotel is similar to the home environment of your bird, so the temperature should be set for similar feeling, so it's not a rapid change for your bird. As we do cover Kiwi's cage at home, we did the same thing at the hotel. Instead, we used a nice clean towel to ensure the darkness and to ensure additional warmth. It was such an amazing and memorable experience for us and for our cockatiel Kiwi. That's why I decided to make an episode about this as well. Please like and subscribe for more because we appreciate so much when you do, and we will see you in the next one. Bye!